Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Interview in 3 Steps. Today I am going to teach you List in Python Part 4. So here I am going to teach you how to remove the element from the list, and this is the very important topic which we'll ask in every interview. So there are two inbuilt method we are using to removing the element from list. The first is remove and the second is pop. So now I am going to discuss remove method. So elements can be removed from list by using inbuilt function remove. Remove method only removes only one element at a time. To remove a range of element, we will use either iterator or loop. Remove method in list only remove the first occurrence of search element. So what is meaning of that? Like if there are so many repeated elements in a list, so this remove method will only remove the first occurrence from this search element. We will understand this from the example. Like I have created one list equal to 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, and I am printing this list. So output is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. So I am here removing one element at a time. So remove function will remove one element at a time. So here I am implementing that. So L dot remove 5. So I am trying to remove this 5 here. And L dot remove 6. I am trying to remove 6 from here. So it will remove one by one element at a time. So what is the output? First one output is 1 2 3 4 6 7, and after the removing of 6, 1 2 3 4 and 7. So this is the output. Second is removing multiple elements by using iterator method. So if you want to remove multiple elements at a time, so by using remove method, then you can use either a loop or iterator here. So for I in range 1 comma 4, L dot remove of I print L. So if you go through that, so we all know that this is a range function. So range, what will it do? It will start from index 1 and it will go to end minus 1. So if you see this 1 comma 4, so it will go 1 2 3 up to 1 2 3 only it will go, and it will skip this. So if you print this one, so output will 4 comma 7, because it should go up to 4, but it will not go because range function will only go up to end minus 1. So for I in range 1 comma 4, it will check each and every index 0 1 2 3 4, but here it started from 1, so it will first go here, then here, then here. It will remove this one, and the output is 4 comma 7. The third is removing the first occurrence of search element. So if you want to use remove function for removing the element from a list which has duplicate values, so what will happen? This remove function will only remove the first search element from that list. If like here 1 is there, 2 3 4 5 6 and 1 2 1. So if 1 is here and here also, but it will only remove the first occurrence. It will not remove this one and this one. So this is the property of remove function. So L dot remove 1, and if you print this L list, so output will be 2 3 4 5 6 1 2 1. Now I am going to discuss the most important inbuilt method, that is pop function. Pop function also used to remove the element from list. Pop function will also return that removed element, means whatever element you are going to remove, that element it will also return by remove, and that will not happen in the case of remove function. So that is the difference between the pop function and remove function. By default it will remove the last value from list. So by default, if you use pop function to removing the element from list, it will remove the last element. To remove element from a specific position of the list. But if you want to remove the element from the specific position, so at that time you have to use the index number of that element, and in this index number you have to pass as an argument to the pop function. So here some examples I am going to discuss. L equal to 1 2 3 4 5. Here I am creating one list that contains 1 2 3 4 5 6. So output is this one. So removing and returning that element. So by using pop function, I am going to show you how it's removing the element and what type of element it's going to return. So if you use this L dot pop, and if you print L, what will happen? It will return, it will delete this one, it will remove this last element. And if you print that element, whatever it's removes, you can print by print L dot pop. So it will return, it will also return that deleted or removed element. So this is the property of pop. The now the by default pop function also removes the last value. We all know that it will by default it will take the last element at the time of removing. So if you take this, if you create one list and if you L dot pop and if you print the list, it will take 1 2 3 4 5 6 and it will remove the last element. And the last one is removing the element from a specific location. If you want to remove the element from a specific location by using pop method, like if you create one list 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, if you want to remove the element of a specific position, like here from like 3 you want to remove, so what is the position of that? 0 1 2 3 4 5 6. So L dot pop, here as a argument you can give the index number of that particular value. So what is the index value of 3? The index value of 3 is 2, 0 1 2. L dot pop 2. If you print the list will become 1 2 4 5 6 7. So I will make further videos on other topics. So if you like my video, kindly like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching.